Okay, so I'm here live in Lowe's. Actually, not live. I tried to go live and it just wouldn't, no matter what I tried, either through Wi-Fi or through the Verizon wireless network. But let me just show you some of the deals we have here today for Labor Day. So they've got this one here, this buy one, get one. If you buy the DeWalt angle grinder, you get a 5 amp hour battery. But there's other tools in this. We've showed you this before. There's other, we'll see if we can show you the rest of them over there. And then, of course, here you've got the buy one, get one on the Bosch, where if you buy the Rotary Hammer, they'll give you this charger and battery here. And, of course, again, that's not the only one that's part of this. So we have it over here. Is really, these are the other tools that are part of this deal here on the Core 18. So, of course, the Bulldog is included on that here. The Sawzall. You got the grinder. Right, and the rotary hammer and the circ saw. So these are them here, and then they've got the circ saw sort of off to its own here on the side, showing you the buy one get one deal. Then of course we have here the Metabo HBT. So they've taken $100 off of this cordless impact kit here. Now this has the impact driver and the hammer drill. Well, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but somebody pissed off a green turtle. Alright, so we got the Metabo kit is right here. Okay. So what it is, so normally this kit is $299 marked down to $269, but then they just made it a special value here at $199 for the two-tool combo kit. And then this is what makes it the Labor Day sale, folks. You want to start looking around the store for these stickers hanging around the Labor Day. And so here what you can see what they've done is they've taken off $50 on the 18 volt brushless cordless drill driver. They've also done the impact driver, same thing, $20 off from what it was before. So it was already marked down a little bit, both of these driver kits, and all they did was they just took another $20 off. Now here is the triple hammer kit. Man, is this thing little subcompact, huh? So this was $149 marked down to $129, and then for Labor Day they took it down another $30 here. So this is what you're starting to see across the board in the store. Now this Lowe's here, this is the one in Boca Raton, this has more discounts than any of the other stores. My other Lowe's right near my house doesn't have all of these set up yet. So you would never even know that there's Labor Day going on in there yet. So maybe these are setting up early. We don't know. Maybe they're getting the jump on it. So this one here is the 18 volts impact driver kit with the batteries. See? And so here, again, this was $229 down to $179. And then they gave it another $20 boost there for you. So that's a pretty good deal there. And same thing here with the cordless hammer drill. Same exact thing going on here, guys. See, there's your SKU for that. For those of you still interested in corded tools, so we have the 1-inch SDS rotary hammer here. This is the corded one. So he's $40 off right now. Then here you can see we have the Craftsman. This is the 14-piece oscillating tool kit. So this is now $89 marked down from $119. Also the Sonic Crafter multi-tool, which I hardly ever see marked down, is marked down from $99, is marked down from $119 to $99. But you know, folks, not to be outdone, the DeWalt compressors wanted part of the action here too. So here you got the 4.5 gallon is down about $40 there. And then also you have the 15 gallon compressor from DeWalt is also down. Biggest mind blower here for me, folks, because look at this. This is such an esoteric tool. This is the thickness planer here, the workshop thickness planer. I don't know, yeah, so it says $5.99 for the 13-inch portable one. So I don't know why in the world Lowe's has 10 of these in stock when they probably hardly ever sell one. So I'm beginning to get suspicious that maybe there's going to be a Labor Day deal on this. I don't know. But the same thing at my other Lowe's in Coral Springs. There was the same thing going on. They had a bunch of these stacked up high. And here you can see it in the picture here on the screen. So I don't know. Conspiracy theory, but I think this puppy's going on sale Labor Day. Here they've got a pretty good deal here going on this 5-foot Werner ladder here for $59. Again, this is another one of those Labor Day specials here that you can see it was $79 and it's marked down to $59 now. Now they've got the little giant ladders, and let me see what they're getting for these, because there's different ones. They have a 13, they have a all the way up to 22, and they have a 17 as well. Now the 22, they're asking $229. Now just for reference, over at Costco right now, they have a 14-foot version of this for $159. So here they're getting $129 for the 13-foot. We've showed you this before a few weeks ago. This is the Bulldog Extreme, marked all the way down to $159. So this is the lowest price that I can ever recall seeing the Bulldog for. Okay, so now here's a new kit deal that they have going here for DeWalt. So you can either get the brushless drill driver kit here, or you can get the impact driver kit here, and they've taken $20 off the kit, so it's down to $179. So that comes with the two amp hour batteries. But if you look over on our carbuyingtips.com channel here on YouTube, where the other day we put up that video on the DeWalt kits over at Home Depot for $129. I'll put a link in the description down below for you so you can go see that video. So I think that kit over at Home Depot is probably a better deal because of the 5 amp hour battery. The 5 amp hour battery over there is $119 alone on itself. So to get that entire kit with the charger and the bag and the drivers for $129, I think is a much better deal, even though you don't get the plastic case like you do here at Lowe's. Here's another combo kit from DeWalt. This is actually reasonably decent price because it's very close to the kit that I recommend. So this is the DCF 887 impact driver, which is their top of the line driver. And this is the DCD 796, which is a few models below my drill. This is not a hammer. Oh, this is the hammer drill. Okay, yeah. So this is the hammer drill, and it is brushless. This is a brushless kit, and it comes with a 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. And they've got this down to $249 from $299. So that's pretty decent to get these two, I think, in a kit like that. Because usually the other one that has the better hammer drill is $299. Okay, now we've never seen this at Lowe's here before, but they got the dust extractor here for $299. Yeah, first time we've ever seen this in any of the Lowe's stores. Labor Day special deal I spotted here. So if you want to put two nice old-fashioned looking lanterns on your garage, this is the time to do it, folks. Here's another one of those Labor Day specials here on this Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle here, the blower. But man, why would you want to get a gas-powered one these days when everybody's switching to batteries now? What you got? Now this is odd. I don't know why they have this 319-piece kit here for $159, but just a few feet over here there's a 227-piece kit for $199. Very odd pricing. Now they've discounted here the 16-piece recip kit, wood and metal, bimetal there, so that's down to $22.98. And then they have a smaller kit here that's marked down to $9.98, so it's pretty much cut in half for the 6-piece kit. So this is the DWS 779, the miter saw, and this one here was $549 and it's marked down to $399. Okay, the Metabo Table Saw, we've shown you this before. 40 people have contacted us and told us they were able to get this at the $349 price that we showed you a few weeks ago. Keep watching this. We hope this comes back down again. It was oscillating up and down like a roller coaster last week. Okay, so here they've lowered the price of the 48-piece mechanics tool sets here by $10 down to $49. And here we've got a new lower price on the 150-piece gunmetal. So this is down to $149. And don't forget, this is another great deal here. 218-piece on the 3 metal drawer with the storage up top too. This kit is $199. So 2 weeks ago on a previous live stream here, we showed you about all of these box wrenches and the ratcheting box wrenches that are drastically reduced in price, like 50% sometimes. So you can see this one here. I mean, dude, you guys had better run in here and get them because these things are disappearing fast. Now here we can see Cobalt has a nice little misting fan here. So this right here is their answer to Ryobi's misting fan, which coincidentally we're actually filming our tool review on the Ryobi one now. I paid $59 for the Ryobi one off of Home Depot's website, but if you can find them in the stores, which is almost impossible, they're $89. So here is your Ryobi misting fan side by side with the DeWalt job site fan. This I think is way overpriced, although it does come with a charger and a battery, so who knows, maybe you have to figure out whether it's worthwhile for you or not. But this should be an interesting product. Maybe I'll get this one time and compare it to the Ryobi. We'll do a side by side. Check this out, folks. It is a sea of barbecue grills here. This is the most number of grills I've ever seen at any Home Depot or at any Lowe's. These guys just went up above and beyond. There are so many of them here. It's just unbelievable. So I can only imagine there must be some kind of Labor Day special coming up on these things. I can't imagine they would have this many of them in stock here. It's mind-blowing. And of course this Lowe's got the jump on everybody. They've already got Halloween all set up. Here's an 80-volt Cobalt mower here. So it's marked down about $100. I'm getting really suspicious here about what's happening with the Cobalt here at Lowe's. Conspiracy theorist here, folks, but I'm wondering, are they trying to push Cobalt out of here or what? Example here, because here is your Cobalt 80 volt max brushless kit here. Here you've got a 16-inch string trimmer, which is massive. You got a blower here that does 500 CFM. This whole kit is down to $295 from $369. It's a clearance, so that's actually an incredible deal right there. And then here you have the brushless kit with just the trimmer by itself with a battery and a charger. So this is their entire kit here, 80 volt max brushless, and it's dropped down to $148 from $199. And this is the second Lowe's that we've spotted the Ego mowers in here too. Now if you look at the price on this, $549, this exact model Ego mower is still $499 at Home Depot, folks. So if you were thinking of getting one, I'd head over there and get them, because probably any week now they're going to be returning all of the Ego machines that are not sold from Home Depot are going back to the manufacturer, where they will probably end up here for $549. Here, check this one out. This is an incredible deal right here. They're doing a clearance on this Dyson cordless V11. Now I don't know if this is the same as the V11 Animal Plus that I have, that I got from Costco, but here you can see it's going from $5.99 down to $4.19. So that's an incredible price right there. Now at Costco, my unit was $5.79 and I got it on sale there for $4.39. It was $135 off. So this is a pretty good stellar deal here, because look at this, their other one here that they have is $6.99. Here you can see they've got this gorgeous V7 unit here, and this is marked down from $299 all the way down to $209. One thing's for sure, Dyson makes some absolutely beautiful vacuum cleaners, and they're actually quite good too. We own one. This Cobalt 40 volt blower right here is marked down to $99 from $139. Where it was even, I'm assuming it's the same one. I really can't tell. No, it's a different kit. Anyway, yeah, this other kit next to it, 4 volt max blower here, that's marked down to $139 from $159. That's it right there in that box. And then you got the 24 volt version here, is marked down to $99. Now they have this Craftsman V20 Kit here, which is marked down to $190 from $229. So this is the combo with the trimmer and with the blower. The only problem is this blower is very low. It's only got 340 CFM. And here you can see they're running a deal on these 8-drawer tool sets. So the bottom part, the rolling part, is $5.99. That's $100 off. And the top part is $449, which is $150 off. Well, so the Cobalt fan here is $99. That's way high for its britches, I think. The DeWalt one is $99, and you can often get it to $79 with the battery kit. Their light here, the floodlight, is not too bad at $69. DeWalt's version goes for $99 from the normal $99 that you see it here. And this is a pretty decent light, so this will run off most of your DeWalt batteries with no problem. Here's some more Craftsman mechanics tool sets I wanted to show you. We could only show you the still photos because we were running low on memory on the camera on our phone because we were shooting 4K video, which takes up huge amounts of storage space. Well, anyway, I'm glad that the live stream didn't work out inside there anyway. We weren't unable to connect, so I'm glad we were able to do it this way with the 4K video. You have much better quality video anyway. So anyway, thanks guys for joining us today. If you like this, do us a favor, please give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, man, why haven't you? Make sure you click on that subscribe button down below there. And then when you do that, click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a video, because you don't want to miss any of our remodeling videos, our engineering disaster videos, our how-to videos, our tool reviews, our walkthroughs on the big box stores like this to find you the best prices on tools out there, folks. So thanks, and we'll see you all on the next one.